Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Chennai, specializing in providing innovative and efficient building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With years of experience in the industry, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of architectural and engineering design services. The company has a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest BIM technologies and are dedicated to delivering high-quality results to clients. As a BIM company in Chennai, Scon Design offers a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs of its clients. The company provides comprehensive BIM modeling services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction scheduling. These services enable clients to visualize their projects in a virtual environment before construction begins, allowing for better coordination and collaboration among all stakeholders. Scon Design also offers BIM consulting and implementation services, helping clients integrate BIM into their existing workflows and processes. One of the key strengths of Scon Design is its ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. The company follows a systematic approach to project management, ensuring that all aspects of the project are carefully planned and executed. With a strong focus on quality control, Scon Design ensures that all deliverables meet the highest standards of accuracy and precision. The company also employs advanced software tools and technologies to streamline its processes and enhance efficiency. Scon Design takes pride in its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company believes in building long-term relationships with its clients and strives to exceed their expectations at every stage of the project. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Chennai, offering comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) services to clients in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted partner for BIM solutions in Chennai. As a BIM company, Scon Design specializes in creating accurate and detailed 3D models that integrate architectural, structural, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. These models provide a virtual representation of the building, enabling stakeholders to visualize, analyze, and simulate various aspects of the project before construction begins. By using BIM, Scon Design helps clients optimize their designs, minimize errors, and improve overall project efficiency. One of the key strengths of Scon Design is its team of experienced BIM professionals who have a deep understanding of the construction industry and its requirements. They are proficient in using industry-leading software like Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD to create high-quality BIM models. These models are not only visually appealing but also contain accurate data about building components, materials,